Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater and cap. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 14 stitches multiple of 7 2 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 extra stitches 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip and yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2 1 2. Yarn in back, knit 5 1 2 3 4 5. That's our repeat. Purl 2 knit 5. This is 7 stitches pattern 2 4 6 7. Again we repeat this pattern how many stitches you have. So one more time. Purl 2 1 2 knit 5 1 2 3 4 5. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl 2 1 2 knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Knit 2 1 2 purl 5 1 2 3 4 5. That's our repeat. Knit 2 purl 5. Again we repeat these patterns one more time. Knit 2 1 2 purl 5 1 2 3 4 5. Last 3 stitches knit to 1 2 purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side slip edge yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2 1 2 yarn in back, knit 1. Now twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take first stitch on your right needle from back loop and second stitch on your left needle from front loop. Now twist this stitch and take this stitch on your left needle. Knit 3 together from back loop. 1. Now yarn over 2. Knit again from back loop 3. Knit 1. That's our repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, twist 2 from left to right, and after that make 3 from 3 stitches. Knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Purl 2 1 2 knit 1, twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop. Now take 3 stitches together from back loop and make 3 from 3 stitches. 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Purl 2 1 2 knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Again knit as knit and purl as purl. Knit 2 1 2 purl 5 1 2 3 4 5. That's our repeat. Knit 2 purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 2 1 2 purl 5 1 2 3 4 5. Last 3 stitches. Knit 2 1 2 purl edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side slip edge yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2 1 2. yarn in back. Now twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. First we knit second stitch from front loop, then we knit first stitch from front loop, knit 1, twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. First we knit second stitch from back loop, and then we knit first stitch from front loop. That's our repeat. Purl 2, twist 2 from left to right and knit 2, knit 1, twist 2 from right to left and knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. First we knit second stitch from front loop, then we knit first stitch from front loop, knit 1, twist from right to left, this way to this way. First we knit second stitch from back loop, then we knit first stitch from front loop. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete. Now 6th row, wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn in back, that's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn in back, last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.